Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by backing up now. Make sure your really important files are copied and test a few. Once done, gather a screwdriver, an anti-static strap, and the replacement drive or NVMe adapter so nothing stalls. Power down the laptop, unplug the charger, and remove the battery if your model allows. Make sure to ground yourself by touching the chassis to remove static. Now flip the laptop over and locate the access panel or service cover so you can begin removing screws. Once the panel is off, organize screws by type. This prevents mix-ups later. You'll unplug or unscrew the existing drive, slide a 2. 5. Solder drive out gently or remove the mounting screw for an M2 module at a slight angle. Make sure connectors are aligned and free of debris. Insert the new drive the same way the old one came out. Press the M2 down to its standoff and secure it, or seat the SATA drive into its caddy and reattach any cables before replacing the cover. You should reinstall the battery, reconnect power, and boot into the BIOS immediately to confirm the new drive appears. If it's detected, proceed to install an operating system or restore your backup. When cloning, make sure the target is the correct drive. Run a quick disk check and update drive firmware if available. If the drive doesn't show up, power down, reseat connectors, try a different port or adapter, and test the drive in another machine to isolate whether it's the drive, cable, or motherboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.